Hi guys, it's Jay at Teacher's Pet. I'm here today incredibly proud to introduce you to ChatterBots. So what are ChatterBots? ChatterBots are AI-powered conversational chatbot tools that allow you and your class to have real, engaging conversations with famous people from history, your favourite storybook characters, and so much more. What really makes our ChatterBots stand out is the amazing voice feature that has been put into them. So not only do you have a text-based conversation, each ChatterBot has its own unique voice that will read out the responses in real time in an engaging and natural tone. Our brand new ChatterBots Hub plays host to our growing range of ready-to-go chatbots. We have 50 available for launch, with lots more on the way. Every chatbot is organised into an appropriate category, and if we scroll down the page, we can see we've got ancient Greece, ancient Egypt, and storybook characters, amongst many more. If I go ahead and click on storybook characters, you can see it will filter the results on the page for you. So without further ado, let's have a chat with one of our chatterbots. We're going to have a chat with one of my personal favourites, which is the big bad wolf from the fairy tale The Three Little Pigs. So if we click on his tile, it will open the chatbot. And let's jump straight in. So I'm going to ask him, describe yourself. What do you look like?
Ah, the big bad wolf is a fearsome sight indeed. I have sharp yellow eyes that glimmer with a hungry gleam. My fur is thick and dark, a deep shade of charcoal grey. My nose is long and pointed, perfect for sniffing out those little piglets. And of course, I have a big, wide mouth filled with sharp teeth that are just itching to chomp and chomp. I am a creature of great strength and cunning, ready to huff and puff my way through any obstacle.
How cool is that? How engaging is that for the children to have these real-time conversations with their favourite storybook characters? We can take that engagement a step further by allowing children to introduce themselves to the chatbot so that they get a personalised response back. Let's give it a go. Hi, my name is Jay. Why did you try to blow down the little pigs' houses?
Hello, Jay. The reason the big bad wolf tried to blow down the little pigs' houses is quite simple. I wanted to feast on those plump little piggies, and their houses were standing in my way. I am a hungry and cunning creature, always on the hunt for a tasty meal. So I thought, why bother climbing down chimneys or sneaking through windows when I can just huff and puff and blow their houses in? It seemed like the most efficient way to get to those succulent little pigs.
Our chatbots work on all devices. They're perfect for your interactive whiteboard, but they're also great for kids to have one-on-one conversations via iPads or tablets. Now let's try another chatbot. This time we're going to chat to a famous person from history, and we're also going to try out another one of the really cool features. Now this time, rather than typing in my question, I'm going to use the really cool voice input feature to speak directly to the chatbot. So all we do is we click this button here. Hi, I'm Jay. Who are you? And then we send the message.
Hello, Jay. I'm Howard Carter, a British archaeologist and Egyptologist. I had the amazing opportunity to discover the tomb of Tutankhamun in Egypt's Valley of the Kings. It was a thrilling adventure. How can I help you today?
So as you can see, by using the voice input feature, we dramatically speed up the conversation and make it feel more natural and engaging. We're now going to test our chatbot on its historic accuracy. So I'm going to ask a question about a date and a location, and let's see what comes back. When and where did you discover the tomb of Tutankhamun? Let's send it through.
The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb. It was an incredible moment in my life. I discovered the tomb on November 4th, 1922 in the Valley of the Kings in Egypt. It was an exciting day filled with anticipation and wonder. Can you imagine stumbling upon a hidden treasure like that? It was like finding a time capsule from ancient Egypt.
Perfect. So as you can see, our chatbot has correctly identified the date and the location of that discovery. Historic accuracy was one of the main features we wanted to embed into our ChatterBots. They will only use verified and trusted sources when gathering data about events, locations, names and things like that. We've also embedded in a lot of safeguards to ensure that the ChatterBots never discuss anything that will be deemed inappropriate for your class. The language used is also tailored to your year group, so the ChatterBots will respond in a way that children can understand. The truly game-changing feature of ChatterBots is the ability to make your own. So if you're studying a specific topic and we haven't made a ChatterBot for that topic, make your own. The historic accuracy and safeguards will be in place, and you can choose a voice and an identity for your chatbot. I'll run through the ChatterBot creation tool in more detail in another video, but for now, we really hope that you and your class enjoy everything that the ChatterBots have to offer. As always, feedback and suggestions are always welcome as we build our ChatterBots project. So for now, take care and I'll see you on the next one.